You can see right up my nose with that phone. And it's probably pixelated. You make a video. We're making a video.
Wanna give us the update?
Well, we're finding the Taco Bell.
We made it to the terminal. And then we were sitting there, you know, reading, checking up on stocks and such. And they called our names, and it turns out we were the last ones on the flight. We were holding everyone.
It's a good thing we're dressed all fancy and look important, because I'm pretty sure a lot of people up there would have been mad at us.
All these people were waiting for us.
What gives this mess some grace unless it kicks, man?
So, we just got done with our hour-and-a-half flight.
Traveling into the city. So where are we going?
Why don't you tell us?
I don't know where we're going. We're trying to find Leanne's place. Taylor told us to get off a bus back there, and we're in the middle of Beaverton.
I got a text though. Text.
We can't use that video, Taylor.
I'm gonna put in my password. Everyone knows it now. Arbor Creek. She lives in Arbor Creek.
It's right
Arbor
there
Creek
to the
was
right.
5 minutes back that way.
No, I see it.
Taylor, we're jaywalking. This is where she lives.
I know. Arbor Creek.
Arbor Creek.
Maybe you should come up here with me.
Oh.
Hey!
Hi.
I was hoping to be
Yeah.
Oh, I don't want to stay here.
Hey.
How do you feel about having us stay here?
I feel very happy. And you better not do anything while I'm sleeping.
Hey, Leanne. Is this gonna be on your blog?
We're gonna be on our vlog. Hey, vloggers.
Video.
I'd have never warned us. You see the bacon on this donut? Actually tastes really good.
Got a nice balance of salt and sugar.
And it actually tastes good. The maple.
Delicious.
It's like sticking your bacon in, you know, the syrup, the maple syrup.
Have fun at work.
Oh, I know.
Don't talk to strangers.
Oh, video.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
To the airport?
We respect the red. We got a Pink Floyd record right here. Wish you were here. This one's for you, Jay. Really wish you were here.
Who's Pink Floyd?
My sous chef, we've been going to the culinary school for about a week now. We learned to peel some potatoes.
How are they doing, Leanne?
They're doing great.
That bad? This is our great friend. She loves the camera.
I do, so much.
So much. Oh, she's not happy.
Ships deck our sides from the weight of our tracks as we pace beneath flags flying powder, rattling our swords in service of some faded foreign lord. We sail out on orders from him, but we find the maps he sent to us don't mention lost coastline.
We're gonna go to take out the trash to
I have no idea.
yeah, I don't know where we're going here. They said
Guys,
there's
I'm really upset.
hobos
I just barely
chilling in the
got Twitter
dumpsters.
on my phone. I can't make a tweet because my phone's broken. You heard me?
Yeah,
Twitter.
That's too bad.
I'm not gay either.
That's Pinterest, dude.
What's that, darling?
How am I doing?
I'm doing
That's all I know.
We thought the perfect way to start out our morning would be a little bit of Conway Twitty. And it was. I'm ready for the day now.
shortfalls and little sins, close calls when no one wins. Stand tall but running thin, I'm wearing thin. Oh, why are we keeping score? 'Cze if you're not laughing, who is laughing now?
I saw a squirrel. That was the highlight of the tour.
I've been wondering if we stop seeing.
Got my Tito burrito, and we're gonna go Ito in the cafeteria.
Tito seems to be a nice guy.
He's a nice lady.
He's not really fluent in any language, it seems.
We are the outsiders. We are the outsiders. Oh.
We're at Denny's in Portland.
There's a lot of whipped cream on these pancakes.
He'd scrape them on mine. And then he would scrape it off and put it on mine. And now I have 2 forks.
We're on the Beaverton TC, and we're gonna go see Mumford Sons.
That's all you have to say.
I am super excited. I mean, I've been following these guys for the past 12 years. Ever since they released their first CD last year. It's been a great journey.
We got second row seats.
Check it out.
Best seats ever.
Right there. They are going to be sweating on our faces. Look at all those suckers in the back.
I must live with my quiet brain. Tame the ghosts in my head that run wild and wish me dead. Should you shake my ash to the wind? Lord, forget all of my sins. Let me die where I lie, beneath the curse of my lover's eye. And I walk slow, take my hand, help me on my way. And I walk slow, take my hand, help me on my
Word of the day today, Nelly Pot, someone who walks without shoes, example myself. Just flattered, hee hee from Kayla. Very funny. Very comedic. Word of the day. We're going to the clubhouse to get our boarding passes. Yeah.
Kayla gave us the keys with a little pepper spray just in case we got attacked on the way.
Print. Boarding documents.
Apparently they have free Wi-Fi. And we also found out that the girls had a closet full of blankets all week that they didn't tell us about. We were freezing.
Really?
Taylor, that's me, Connor, Jesse, Tony, and Joey.
Taylor tried to get barbecue sauce on the plane, got caught. So now, for the second time this trip, he's gonna make us late for a plane flight.
So I want to go home. I want to go back to Orem. We don't want to go home. This plane is boring. The lady's coming towards me. Tell me to put my phone off. Peace.